welcome to my show. We're gonna cook with my babies. But this is gonna be a surprise. Watch until the end. Welcome to this little world. Okay, so I'm boiling some pepper and broccoli. It's vegetable soup. Also, I got this from the market. Also, I'm gonna show you one of these right now, but look. Someone is inside the hamburger! Oh no! Also, there's another one who's hiding. I kind of like these. Here she is. Okay, I'm gonna show you this again so that you won't forget. Okay. I'm just gonna make a little bit out here. Okay. I'm gonna snap this again. Alright. It's back together again. I'm gonna tell myself not to anything on the floor. Okay, we have biscuits, some milk, we have bananas, strawberry, blueberries. Also, we have these. And my babies are hungry. It looks like Kate and Emma are hungry, so I'm gonna feed them right now. Okay, you should watch this after you eat your lunch. It's important. Okay, so what are you gonna have for lunch, Kate? I want some, like water, also a biscuit and some milk, please. Okay. Okay, this is for Kate and Emma. Okay. And what did you want? A biscuit? What kind of biscuit? The one in the side. Okay. Here. Ooh, yummy! Nom 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 nom. Okay, now it's gone. Now it's gone because she ate it. Okay, she ate it and then drank it. Okay, so now she's done eating, so Teddy can have a turn because he's my favorite, also Ellie. But you gotta wait, Emma. Emma, what do you like? I want like this biscuit, some of this, and some of sparkling water. Okay. Have an. It is one. Okay. Are you lying? There you go. We're gonna finish. No. It disappeared. Oh no. Okay, so she's gonna open this. Is there a surprise? Of course, yes. Yes, Emma. she just giggled at this. Okay, so this is gonna be a prank for that no one is. I turn off their volumes so that they can hear. Okay, so now I turn on their volumes. What do you want, girl? I just want a hamburger and some juice, please. We don't have a drive-through! Here's your juice. Okay. You should open this. What? Open this sandwich! Okay. I'm gonna do it. Okay, so I got to gotta connect this because actually there. The first arm is ready. This side kinda hard to do it in the other side because I do it in the first side and it's too easy. But in the other side, front, and then I just finished his other arm now. He's popping out. I have no idea what this is in the sandwich. Oh no. Okay, it's now fixed. I'm gonna close it up now. Okay. Oh, yum, 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 no, 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 no. I don't know where it went. Okay. My turn. I just want this, the last biscuit in some juice, please. Nom, 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 nom. Okay, so it's actually now Teddy's turn. Where are you, Teddy? Teddy. What do you want, Teddy? I want some like normal water. Also a batch of soup in my cup, please. Okay. Whatever you say, I will do it because you're my sweetest baby in the whole entire world. I put some broccoli. Oh, yum. You should always eat the broccoli twice a day so that you will stay healthy. Okay. Okay, do you want a banana? Ooh. My baby is still thirsty, so she's gonna drink it. There. Actually, I haven't done my unicorn yet. What do you want? I want like my soup, a batch of soup, please. Okay. Some soup. Wait, there. A batch of soup. Okay. Drink it. Are you gonna eat it? Oh my goodness. What is wrong with you, unicorn? Okay. Nana Kitty, are you gonna eat it? She's gonna like drink something before she gets powers. She's drinking up. She's drinking. I think my babies are full now. That's it for today. Hit the notification bell. Also subscribe.